Hi, so today I will be showing you how to use Myon. So first you go to one of your browsers and you put in Myon.com and you click login and then you can put your username and password in your school there. So here it shows you the amount of books you read, or the amount of time you spent reading, the amount of books you finished, and the amount of um, pages that you read throughout the week. So it shows you the last book you opened here and the pages you read and the amount spent time reading it. Myon also gives you recommendations for books, and they're shown here. And it also shows you other books that were recently opened. So if you want to find a book, you can type it in here, or you can go to library and click recommended, and then Myon gives you more books that it recommends to you based on your Lexile level and your previous books that you've read. So if you go to browse, it gives you a bunch of topics that you can choose from. So let's just say I pick genres. It gives you like a bunch of other stuff here. So classics and literature, and then here's a bunch of books on classics and literature. So here, if let's just click random book, here it has the Lexile level you have, and the grade level, and a quick summary of it. So if you want to put it on your list, this means, if you go back here, this means that it's just on your list to read. Like, you can read it whenever you want, so you don't have to go back here and click it and find it every time. So to put it on there, you click add to my list, and if you go back, there it is. So to get off your list, you just click it here again, and it's not on your list anymore. You can't see that, but it's not there anymore. So here again, if you click search, you can search in the book you want, and then you go back. Okay. I will show you some features that you can use when you're reading a book. So I just clicked a book that's close to my Lexile. It's 1,130, and my Lexile is 1,300, so they're kind of like in the same range. Your book should be around your Lexile, because you don't want it to be like too hard or too easy for you. So if you just go back to list, here it is, and read. So to some of these tools that they give you, you can see it right here. You click right there, and here is like just like a random note that I made, and then here, like, this is like the title of the note, and then here is like the actual note. So blah 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 blah. So let's just say you have that. That's one of your notes, and then here is like where you can like, it's like a drawing tool, I guess, and you can like circle stuff or like, I don't know, highlight things, but you can do that. And then this is a really cool tool, I think. It's like you, if you have a note or anything, or like maybe a question or something, or you're annotating, you can, like, let's just say I have a question on this. Oops. I have a question on let's just say in this. Oops. You click it, and then you can type a note there, blah 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 blah. Click this little button, and then if you hover over it, there's kind of like this teardrop shape, and if you click on it, there's your note, and you can end it again or something. So that's a really cool feature, I think. And here, if you click this button, is where you can make different shapes and lines. So let's just say I want to make a box out of this, or a rectangle. Oops. Let's just say I want to make that in a box or something, and then I can make like a graph. I don't know. and and you can take a teardrop thing again and maybe write something here. And there you have it. That's pretty cool. So it's like, if you don't like to better understand it. If you want to delete everything you have on here, you can click this and maybe just not everything, but like like something that you don't feel like erasing. You just click it. I'll click all annotations, and I'll say from this book, and you remove, and then they're all gone. So you don't have to like erase everything. Up here is like it's like a dictionary here. So let's just say I don't know what the word mythology means, and it tells you the definition. So there, you could click it there, and that's a really cool feature because like if you don't know what a word is, you don't have to go to like the actual dictionary. You can just search it up here. And here, if you click other pages, it'll take you to a bunch of this stuff. And you wouldn't really need that as much, but those are the basics of how to use Myon. Thank you for watching.